Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today I want to show you how you can transfer files or like photos, music from your phone to Samsung Galaxy Active 2. Even if you have any watch Active 1 or Active 4, you can also go ahead and transfer files using this similar method. So what you need to do is only to open the Samsung Galaxy wearable app. Once you click on it on the watch, unfortunately mine needs updating. If yours needs also updating, you can click on update. Once you update it, you can go ahead and transfer the files. So let me update it, then we also proceed. So after updating, you can go ahead and you click on watch settings. Once you click on watch settings, then you can scroll down. You will see add content to your watch. Click on it. You will see add tracks or copy images to your watch. You will select first. You can go into the settings. You can set it automatically to always take pictures from either album, from a certain album to your watch. Then you can also set the limit. You can say I want only 20 images, something like that. Then also from here you can also set the playlist which you want always synchronize into your phone. So today I just want to show you specifically a single song. Let's click on add a track. Once you come here into the tracks, you can choose from here. You look for the song. Once you click on it like this, then you can click on done. Then it will automatically send the track into your phone. For example, here they say I already have the track, but I can say repress. Then it will automatically send the track into your device. Once it is sent into your device, then you can open your watch, or you can receive a text on your watch that certain track has been received, as you can see. So I can open here this. Let me first unlock it. I can now click on this message which has come and open the track from here. I can play, or I can directly come here into the music. Then look for the tracks. Then I will find it. I'll find it here into these tracks. Then again, don't worry about this watch because it has 4 GB. It has 4 GB storage. Alright guys, that's how you can move your files from watch or from phone to. So from here I can also, these are the photos. I can click on this photo, then I copy to phone. This is how you can move it. You copy to phone, or you can delete. This is the way. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Catch you in the next one.